Dropshipping is a great way to earn passive income, and TikTok is a great way to grow a dropshipping business if you do it right. If you want to learn more about how you can use TikTok to boost your store's income, this video is perfect for you. Number 1. Use TikTok ads for your dropshipping store. TikTok ads are hot right now, and you can use them to help your dropshipping business get a head start. The value of the TikTok ads tools is the greatest reason to use TikTok to advertise your dropshipping products, along with the huge potential due to TikTok's almost endless supply of users to advertise to. Shopify and other dropshipping platforms are now integrated with TikTok too. So if you have a store on these sites, you can easily run paid ads on TikTok that link directly in with your store. There are a lot of paid ad types offered by TikTok at different costs that you can use to get your brand and your products out there to a massive amount of users that seems to still be growing in 2022. If you're creative and can make eye-catching video or visual ads, this is the best opportunity right now to boost your sales using TikTok. Number 2, create content that shows off your dropshipping products. A cheaper and more fun way to advertise your dropshipping products on TikTok is simply to create an account and make content containing your products or showing some behind-the-scenes shots of you running your business. This is more for those interested in building a successful TikTok account than those simply looking to post ads. But if you hit the right trends, stick within the right niches, and create good content, you have a great chance of growing your channel to have a large following and high views, meaning more and more people see your products and can click through the links you send out to buy directly from your store. If you have a half-decent camera and some ideas for fun videos relating to your brand, this is something you can experiment with at almost no cost. And if you were to go viral with a video, so would your product, gaining fans all over the world without having to pay for advertising. This really is what dreams are made of for business owners. Number 3, dropshipping using influencers. Like other social media platforms, TikTok users with huge followings look to make money from their success by offering to showcase businesses, brands, and products in their content for a fee. This could end up being expensive, but if you can find the right influencers to work with, it can really be cost-effective. Not only is your product being shown off in front of their large and loyal fan base, they are also endorsing your product, meaning those adoring fans will be more likely to trust you and your product. This means, you guessed it, higher sales conversion. A tip here would be to not focus on seeking out the huge viral stars of TikTok. They're unlikely to work with smaller businesses without commanding a large fee. Instead, look for up-and-coming influencers with a growing fan base that might be just getting into the world of influencer marketing, and you can benefit from their continued growth whilst paying less for them to showcase your products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.